In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Microsoft Teams support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started by saying that reaching out for help is an important part of using any software, and Microsoft Teams is no different. Whether you're experiencing a bug or just have a question, getting in touch with support can make your experience much smoother. To begin, head over to the Microsoft Teams website. You'll want to log in using your account details. This is usually your email and password associated with your Teams account. If you're unsure of your password, there's a Forgot Password link that can guide you through resetting it. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Clicking on these dots will unveil a menu with additional features and settings related to your account. Now, from the expanded menu, locate the Help button. Clicking this will guide you to the assistance options available within Teams. After selecting Help, you'll find the next option labeled Get Help. By clicking on this, you will be taken to a support redirection page where you'll find various resources. On this page, scroll down to the very bottom until you come across the Contact Support option. Once you see it, go ahead and click it. This step will direct you to a place where you can actually submit your inquiries for assistance directly to Microsoft. Now, it's time to provide details about your issue. When prompted, make sure to type in a clear and detailed description of the problem or question you have. The clearer you are, the easier it will be for the support team to understand and help resolve your issue. You might want to include specifics like error messages or what website pages you were on when you encountered the problem. After you've filled out the necessary information describing your issue, click the Submit button. Doing this sends your request to the support team, and you should be on your way to getting the help you need. Keep in mind that response times may vary depending on your issue and the current volume of requests, so some patience might be necessary after you submit your form. In summary, contacting Microsoft Teams support involves a few straightforward steps: signing in, navigating through the Options menu to reach the Help section, then providing a detailed description of your query, and finally submitting your request. Thank you for following along. I hope you find this guide helpful when you need support. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Happy collaborating, and see you in the